Hi everyone, I want to introduce you to Act Clever. My name is Tony Holowitz and I'm the owner and developer of actclever.com. Act Clever is everything I know about Act. It's Act CRM training broken down into simple, short videos that you can watch at your own pace and learn as you feel comfortable. So as you get into Act Clever, after starting a free trial, you can log in and go through all the classes. Let me show you the basic fundamental classes I have today. So the first classes include Act Fundamentals, Getting Started. And this is great for absolute beginners or if you're just trying to refresh your knowledge or get up to date with some of your knowledge with Act. That's the fundamentals. Course number 2 is Customizing Act for your business. The one thing that is so great about Act is you can design it so it works for you. And there's a lot of things you can do with that. Also, class 3 is Selling with Act. And this is my favorite class because this class talks specifically about a strategy for using Act in a way that is beneficial to you as a small business owner or as a salesperson. It's a way to keep track of things so no one that's important to you in Act, contacts, customers, ever slip through the cracks. Class number 4 talks about different add-ons and tools that enhance Act. These tools are things that are created by other vendors that have created tools that make Act extend its capabilities and do more for you. Class number 5 is Using Act in the web or the cloud. If you want to use Act in a web browser versus the downloaded desktop software, this is the perfect course for you. Class number 6 deals with email marketing automation, Act marketing automation. And we go through a whole variety of things. Let me take you inside for just a minute. I'm going to take you to our classes, and this is me logged in. And as you'll see, it keeps progress of the classes you've taken. If I want to go in and start looking at the fundamentals class, for example, I can go inside. There's a little bit of an intro, tells you a little bit about what's going on. But then as we go down, these are all the classes. And you'll see you can go through these all at your own pace. So for example, if we want to learn about the contacts menu, we can click on that, learn about the contacts menu. Over on the left-hand side, you can navigate, you can jump around, and they are all very, very short videos. The whole purpose of working with Act and Act Clever is to make the most out of the software as a tool to help you grow your business from a sales and marketing perspective. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Please try Act Clever. I think you'll find it very helpful to you and your staff. Have a great day. Bye now.